welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am back again with another review. So as you can see, today's guest is from Dove. So today we are going to be reviewing the Dove Refreshing Cucumber and Green Tea Body Wash. So this one's going to be pretty exciting, so without further ado I will get into the video and let me know if you have enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy! Okay, so here is the bottle on the outside. As you could see, it has this beautiful illustration of cucumbers and the green tea. Okay, and this is the back. We will get into this in a second, okay? And yep, this is the bottle. So I think this is like, I can't remember how many ounces. I have to show you, okay? But anyways, here is the bottle. So this body wash is super refreshing, has a nice cucumber melon like scent, so still has a refreshing green tea scent, but I definitely feel a cucumber melon vibe from this one, but it smells so good, man. I literally cannot. This is like a very good body wash for the summer, especially since it has green tea, which has a cooling effect right here. As it says, of course, refreshing. It revitalizes and refreshes the skin right here. There's the cucumber and green tea, and there's the revitalizes and refreshes the skin. And it's a moisture renew blend, so it's not going to leave your skin feeling dry. So it is 354 milliliters. So I got this for $3 on sale. They have a bigger size for $8, and I think it's like 8 to 12 ounces, can't remember, but it's a pretty big size. So if you want to give it a try this one first. So here it is. Now we are going to show you the back, okay, because we gotta know what it says on the back. All right, here's another show of the bottle, and here is the back. So it just talks about how it's cruelty-free, 100% recycled bottle, gentle and refreshing. So here is the bottle once again, if you just want to see it. Here's the back, full turn. So now I'm going to be opening it and testing it for you guys. So here it is, just squeezing it out. So it's a green tinted body wash, so here it is. Doesn't look as green on my hand, but it's a nice, creamy gel-like texture, super lightweight. And right now my hand's not damp, but of course your body's all damp, so you just rub it on, and as you can see, it makes a nice lathery foam. Although it's very refreshing, gentle, and moisturizing. I wouldn't say this is the best for eczema or the skin that is very sensitive, because it does have cucumber and green tea, which are cooling and possibly can be irritating. So that is it for this review. If I had to give this a rating 1 through 10, I'd give this a 9 out of 10. Super amazing product, definitely worth the price. I will definitely try more body washes from Dove, and I hope this video has helped you all who wanted this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!